Can you get the register from there? On e-bed. To e-bed. Written there.
A female can do this, that, అట్లా ఏం restriction లేదు. A female is an individual, a male is an individual. There is no graph of up and down. So, there is no graph like that. It's an individual. So with my entire team used to ask me, my guests used to ask me, Harita, ఎలా manage చేస్తావు? I used to tell that I have a force of, my entire battalion is of 750 employees. That is my strength. Right? My strength is my employees. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక టేబుల్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ తీయాలంటే అక్కడ హరిత ఉండే అవసరం లేదు. నేను చెప్పానా, అది కమ్యూనికేషన్ పోయిందా, మేనేజర్ టు సూపర్వైజర్, టేబుల్ ఇస్ అవుట్. సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓన్లీ మీ ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్ మై హ్యాండ్స్? నో, వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్ ఇస్ మై బ్రెయిన్స్. Right? So when you do something, if you have a passion towards it, guys, అది మీకు ఐడియాస్ వస్తాయి. You will get more ideas in that. You will feel to do that. You will enjoy. Most important is you enjoying the work.
Hello everyone, my name is Varshit from Chennai Samruddha Balkampet campus, EDHMCS B21. Today in our college, we are conducting a bed making competition called Bed Set Co. And I'm very excited to participate in this competition, and I'm looking forward to have much more competitions in our college. And our housekeeping staff taught us very well in participating and encouraged us to participate in these competitions. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone. This is Chakradhar from Chennai Samruddha EDHMCS A21 batch. Today our college conducted a bed making competition in our college housekeeping lab by Ishan sir and team. I'm very excited to participate in this and looking forward more competitions participation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sehwag. I am from Chennai Samruddha Balkampet campus. Today our college has conducted a competition that is Go, and our housekeeping department has encouraged us to participate in this program. So I am very excited to do this. I am looking forward for this competition more and more. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Madhu. I am from the PDHMC B21, Chennai Samruddha College, Balkampet campus. Today we are conducted the bed making competition. I am very excited to participate in this competition, and also I am looking forward to the competition, much more competitions in our college, and I am also very thankful for our housekeeping departments of faculties. Thank you.